Hey, what's up YouTube? Olsen Bro here with another review, and Kate and I are taking a look today at a magnifying glass. This is an LED magnifying glass from a company called HOUGOO on Amazon. It says it's a 90mm large magnifying glass with 2 LED lights on it. It's got 10x and 20x magnification on it. So let's open up this box here.
It's got LED on the magnifying glass?
Yeah, it's got lights for it. So you'll see. We'll see here.
So you can burn ants for real?
I don't know. We'll have to try that out. I'll have to let you go in the back here and try to burn something. Comes with a little business card here. And it comes with a case, a little carrying case.
Whoa.
Ooh. There it is. Let's see, it's got some plastic on it. Ooh, protection. There we go. I'll go ahead and slide in some batteries in this compartment here. Now we got the batteries in there, 2 AA batteries. Here it is. So we need something to look at. Let's look at this business card they gave us. Now check it out. We'll look at the small writing on this.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Let's flip on the LED light. Not bad. So, whoa, this little hole here is like super magnified.
Nice.
And then the rest of this is must be 10x and that must be 20x. This is good for blind people like myself. When you get old and you can't see the small writing, that makes it plenty big. LED on, LED off. You know, in a darker situation, that seems like that lights up really well. What do you think?
Let me try. So, like right now, I can read it right here. Yeah, I can read it even better now on the smallest one. Can't even read in the small one. Whoa!
Super huge, right?
That's crazy. Oh, that's pretty good.
So it's like a borderless design. It's just that glass on there. There's nothing around the edge of it.
Yo, I can read the newspaper thing in the...
In the card?
Yeah, in the card there's a newspaper. I can read the newspaper.
Very cool. This thing retails for $15.80 on Amazon. It says it's high clarity, and it's got a lot of good reviews on Amazon. So let's see if we can get that point. I know we're in the studio with no natural light whatsoever, but I think that might work good out in the sun, man. Wow, you can really magnify the pores of my skin. Boy, I need some lotion. Need some lotion. Very cool. It's got on the bottom of this right here two little things sticking out that will work as a stand, and yeah, pretty secure right there. So the magnifying glass itself isn't touching the table.
Oh, I see that.
See that?
Mm-hmm.
So pretty cool, man. Not a bad little device here. It's good for projects, certain things I'm trying to do for the kids, and the parts are so small. This is going to come in handy around the house for me. I do have dedicated glasses now that help, but this is even more so. This is pretty legit. And of course, I'll let Kay go take this out in the backyard and see if we can start a fire. What do you say?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. Last thoughts? Whoa.
Oh, I need to look at
He needs to wash his hands. Is that what you just discovered?
No, I discovered that there are tiny ants on my pores.
Nice.
Little things to burn.
All right, very cool, man. I like it. It works. It works. It seems okay built. I mean, there's a little wobble in it. I don't know where it's wobbling, that top part.
Does it move?
It wobbles a little bit, you know. It's got 2 screws right here that are holding that in place. But overall, not bad. I'll put a link in the description below. You can check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. If you found this video because you're into magnifying glasses, let me know how this stacks up with the other ones out there. And if you are just a follower of the channel and you see this, let me know if it's something you would buy. I sure appreciate all those who have subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching, you guys. It means a lot to us. Any comments, questions, put it in the comments section. Please like, subscribe,
and share.